Welcome to Chemistry Weight. Today we will see Class 11, Chapter 1, Chemistry. Some basic concept of chemistry. See, law of chemical combination. The combination of elements to form compound is governed by following 5 basic laws. See below. First one, the law of conservation of mass. Second one, law of definite properties. Third one, law of multiple properties. Fourth one, Gay-Lussac law of gaseous volume. Fifth one, Avogadro's law. Suppose if molecule or compound will be formed, this is going to follow above the 5 laws. Let's see first law. Law of conservation of mass. What is tell us this law? It is says the matter cannot be neither created or destroyed. Matter means solid, liquid, gas or plasma of the states. For example, if we take 30 kilogram of wood and burn with fire, we can get 20 kilogram of ashes plus 2 kilogram of smoke. See, here mass is does not changes, but we got two types of products. First product is ashes, second one is smoke. So ashes is 28 kilogram, smoke is 2 kilogram, so totally 30 kilogram. Next one, sulfur 32 gram, ferrous 56 gram, ferrous sulfate 88 gram. See, sulfur plus ferrous, it gives ferrous sulfate. Here also mass is does not changes, but we got one type of products. See, this is the product, ferrous sulfate. We can write ferrous sulfate iron 2 sulfate or ferrous sulfate. Third, example third, H2O when treated with electrolysis process. See, H2O molar mass is 18.02 gram, almost 1 mole. We get H2 plus O2, H2 2.02 gram, O2 16.0 gram. This is the O2 molecule of mass. This is the H2O molecule of the mass. See, what is the electrolysis? See below. Electrolysis means we can separate hydrogen and oxygen when pass the current at water via anode and cathode. It is going to separate, and there is also mass does not changes. So mass is always does not changes. Second law, law of definite proportion. See, it is says that a given compound always contain exactly the same proportion of the element by weight. See below, For example, water H2O. The ratio for the H2O is 2:1. Hydrogen 2 times, oxygen 1 times. The mass of the hydrogen and the oxygen atom, this is called whole number ratio. 2:1 is whole number ratio, but not accurate. This is not accurate. This is the approximately value. This is approximately value because almost all elements mass will be decimal. So that is why we can take at approximate value. If we see percentage wise, hydrogen is 11%, oxygen is 89%. So totally 100. Here oxygen is 89 means this is the molar mass. Hydrogen is the molar mass. This ratio is the oxygen mass number and hydrogen mass number. So totally we get 100%. Please check the hydrogen mass and the oxygen mass. Example 2, CH3CH2OH. This is called ethyl alcohol or ethanol. See the 2 atoms of carbon. Here 2 atoms carbon atoms is found. 2 atoms of carbon, 12 gram per mole into 2 equal to 24. The 24 is the mass number. 6 atoms of hydrogen. Hydrogen approximately 1 gram. So 1 gram per mole into 6 equal to 6. 1 atom of oxygen, 16 gram per mole into 1. This is the oxygen mass number. So 24, 6, 16. Totally 4, 6 gram per mole. The molecular mass of ethanol 46 per mole. Example 3. See, natural cupric carbonate or CO3. Here copper is 51.85%, oxygen is 9.74%. If suppose we make synthetic cupric carbonate, we got same like above. See below. This is the natural cupric carbonate. Copper is 51 point and oxygen as 9 point. Suppose we can make synthetically, see below. Copper 51.35%, oxygen 9.74%. So both are same only. Here also mass does not change. If molecule or compound forms naturally or synthetically, it does not change in the ratio. Here mass or ratio does not changes always. This is called law of definite proportion. So that laws of multiple proportion. What is tells us this law? If two elements can combine to form more than one compound, that masses of one element that combine with a fixed mass of the other elements are in the ratio of small whole number. See below, whole number ratio. Here we can see whole number ratio. This is the carbon monoxide CO, oxygen as 1.33 gram, carbon is 1 gram, whole number ratio is 1:1. Now, this 1.33 is the decimal, so we can ignore it. For carbon dioxide CO2 molecule, oxygen has 2.66 gram, carbon is 1 gram. This is the 1:2. This is the whole number ratio. This is called whole number ratio. See below, decimal. Nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen, oxygen. For decimal nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen has mass is 14, oxygen mass is 16. Now how to take ratio? See below. (14 by 14 equal to 1). 16 by 14 equal to 1.43. The total ratio 1:1.43. This is the whole number ratio. This is the decimal ratio. Please keep it in mind. If you don't understand, watch again. See below. NO2, nitrogen monoxide. Sorry, nitrogen dioxide. This is not monoxide. NO2 means nitrogen dioxide. See below, nitrogen mass number is 14, so 14 by 14 equal to 1, but oxygen here 2 oxygen, so 16 plus 16 32 by 14 equal to 2.2E6. See below. The total ratio 1.2, sorry, 1:2.286. This is the whole number ratio, this is the decimal ratio. So fourth law, law of chemical combination. See, when gases combine or produced in a chemical reaction, they do so in a simple ratio by volume, provided all gases are at same temperature and pressure. This is law. This law tells us if same temperature or pressure at the same volume. See, please note, this law tells us if same temperature or pressure at the same time, at the same volume, the number of molecules or mass of atom always should be equal. This is the definition for this law. For example, here 5H2O molecule, here also 5H2O molecule. This is one volume, this is the one volume. So both are two volumes, totally 10 H2 molecules. Here 5 O2 molecules, one volume. So here 2 volume of water molecule H2O. So both are all are combined to give H2O. H2 plus O2 gives H2O. So we get 10 H2O molecule. This is 2 volume of water molecule. See below. We know that H2O ratio H2S should be 2 and oxygen should be 1. So H2O. See below. Same thing here. See, 5H2O molecules. This is 5H2O molecule. This is the 5 O2 molecules. 5 O2 molecules. It means 10 oxygen atoms. So we get 10 water molecules, 2 volume of water. And this is the fixed number of ratio. See below. If we take 1 volume of water molecule, see below. If we take 1 volume of water molecule H2O, here 5 H2O molecule, this is the 1 volume, but 5 H2O molecules. Next law, Avogadro law. Fifth law, equal volume of gases at the same temperature and pressure should be contain equal number of molecules at a gaseous condition. Please note, this is only for applicable gaseous condition, not for solid and liquid. For example, see here chloride to Cl2 atom, chloride 10 centimeter cube. This is the H2 molecule. So all are gaseous condition. 10 centimeter cube. It gives 2 HCl gases 20 centimeter cube. Here 2 reactant. Here 1 product but 2 molecules. See, here 1 product but 2 molecules, hydrogen 1 molecule, Cl 1 molecule, so 2 molecule. See below. two molecules of reactant, it gives two molecules of product side, but we got one product. This is the one product but two molecules. This is called Avogadro law. Please subscribe the channel. More videos on the way. Thanking you all the best.